Hey everybody, Kurakapak here, we're live, and we just filled a $50 spot by a random division where we're going to random 2 divisions for free to make it a 6-division random break of 1 box of triple threads. After all the whining, all the complaining, we're finally ready to go. So, here we go. We're first going to do the mini between the 4 guys on the screen and get the top 2 to go into the random, and then after that we're going to do a random for all of the divisions, and we'll get that started. So let's start with this guy right here. So in the order as received, alright guys, 7 times top 2 spots go for random divisions. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th, and final time. Good luck. Mike S., Andrew James. You guys. Oops. Got the random. Now, we'll go back into the list and do Andrew James, okay, we're going to random these. So you guys see this going back down 7 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th, and final time. You got Mike on top twice, Andrew on bottom. Oh, shut up. Alright, guys. I'm the worst breaker in the world. Here we go. AL Central, AL East, AL West, NL Central, NL East, NL West. That is in alphabetical order on the divisions. We're doing this 7 times as well. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th, and final time. AL Central on bottom, AL West on the top. Alright guys, Mike Sardella with the AL West, Mike Sardella with the NL West, Andrew James with the NL East, SRC the AL East, Mike Oleander with NL Central, Andrew James AL Central. Any trades? I think it's awesome that SRC has the AL East when Mike, that's his favorite team, so we know there'll be some sales going on if any Yankees are pulled. Alright guys, we're here, we're ready, and we're ready to go. Let's get this going. Guys, don't forget, we've got a lot of eBay stuff coming up, and we will continue to be breaking all this stuff as we go. So, here we go, guys. First one out of the chute of this beautiful Triple Threads product. Good luck, everybody. Correa. Tanaka. Baby Ruth. Come on. But Gary Sanchez to $2.99. God, it's just been Steve's night tonight, huh? Look at this. Gary Sanchez, $2.99. Why don't we come right behind it? I don't know how valuable this is, but what about a Roger Maris to $99? That is 4 Yankees out of 5 cards. Did you make a deal with the devil, SRC? Jeez. Crazy. First hit out for the NL East is a Sandy Alcantara. 75. 33 out of 75. Sandy Alcantara for the Marlins and the NL East. Next one is for the NL West, and it's Evan Longoria to 18. Evan Longoria to 18. That one's going out to Mike S. Alright, guys. Last box, last mini. Here we go. First 3 out. Lester Posey, Aaron Judge, Yankees, Jacob deGrom, Mets. How about a Corey Seager, $2.99. For the Cubs, Yu Darvish, $1.99. Next up, to 18, legend Nolan Ryan for the Astros, 6 out of 18, going to the AL Central, and Andrew James. Excuse me. That is going to the AL West and Mike Sardella. My apologies. Forgot they used to be in the NL. That is AL West. And the last card, which is an autograph. Come on, baby. Who is RAWA? That is a Willie Adams to 25 for the AL East. Willie Adams, 22 out of 25 for the AL East. When you're hot, you're hot. Alright, guys. Let's go over a quick one. Yu Darvish, $1.99 for the Cubs. Corey Seager, $2.99 for the Dodgers. deGrom, Judge, Posey, Sanchez, $2.99 for the Yankees. Ruth, Tanaka, Correa, Roger Maris to 99. Parallel. Evan Longoria. to 18 for the Giants. To 18 for Nolan Ryan, AL West. The NL East, that's Sandy Alcantara to 75. And Willie Adams to 25, AL East. Thanks, guys. Appreciate the break. Appreciate the fill.